You will only operate to the extent of what you know. And the problem with that is, pagtingin mo sa iyong bahay, pagtingin mo sa iyong environment, ang nakikita mo is parang sa environment na meron ako ngayon, hindi ganun kaposible umasenso. Or kung maybe aasenso man ako, mahirap. Kung yun ang kamalayan na kinabibilangan mo, paano ka mag-ooperate? Ganun din. If you're only gonna operate to the extent of your environment, to the extent of what you see on social media, regardless of your desire, regardless of your aspiration, regardless of your ambition, and regardless kung ano man yung pinapangarap mo sa iyong buhay, you will continue to operate as if it's hard or as if it's impossible. May pangarap ako, pero mahirap. Therefore, yung action ko, hindi mag-a-align sa pangarap ko, mag-a-align sa kahirapan. What I'm saying is, now that you know that exists, what can you do now? Because the problem with people sometimes is nag-e-exist na nga yung mga problema ng buhay at problema ng mundo. And I'm not saying that there's no injustices. There is an injustice that is present. But does that mean that you're hopeless at wala ka ng power at wala ka ng magawa? No, I refuse to believe that. But until you discover how to change and how you can actually make a change, nothing will ever change. So this is bringing power back to you. This is bringing possibility back to you. This is asking a very powerful question to you na nanonood sa atin ngayon. What now? Ano na ang pwede mong magawa ngayon? At lahat ito nagsisimula saan? Sa kamalayan. Sa self-discovery. Unmasking what you can actually do moving forward.